In this video, we're going to talk about something that I call single instrument stutters. This is when we have a whole mix, but we only apply stutter edit to one or a few of the instruments within that mix. In this case, what I want to do is apply stutter edit to one of the synthesizer tracks, but not to any of the other tracks. So I'm going to go to this track that I have called Ugly 2, and I'm going to change the output of this track to the bus that stutter edit is listening to. We know from previous videos that stutter edit is listening to bus 1. And if I go here and pull up stutter edit, we can check the sidechain and see that that is true. So now stutter edit will only be affecting the output of things coming through that bus, meaning that everything else in the track will be completely dry and that ugly synth will be running through stutter edit. Let's see what happens. Just like we thought, stutter edit only affects the output of the synth that we assigned. So let's try closing this again and changing the assignment. This time, we'll change the synth back to the stereo output or the master outputs, and we'll change the drums to be going out to bus 1. This is going to give us quite a different feel, because the last time we did this, since the drums were still going, the groove was always intact. And here, the synth grooves are based loosely on what the drums are doing. So by switching up the drums and not the synths, we're going to get some interesting things. In addition to these ways, there's actually one more way that we can use stutter edit on a single track or a single instrument. Let's close out the plugin and delete stutter edit as a software instrument. Now I'm going to go to this synth's insert section and bring up stutter edit as an effect here in the insert section. And what I'm going to have to do is make sure that my bus that was hijacking my audio earlier is now out of the way and letting the audio through. So we're going to unmute the output of that bus and go back to our main screen here. Let's bring stutter edit back up and go to the preset manager. Once we're in the preset manager, we can actually use the piano roll within this window to trigger stutters. So now that we've looked at some ways we can use stutter edit on single instruments or single tracks, let's move along to the next video where we show how to take the simplest of loop material and mangle it beyond recognition with stutter edit. Thanks for watching.